Go.
Hey everybody, so today is the first episode of a weekly series I'm going to be doing for Drink of the Week. And the first drink, I'm just going to do a simple twist that I discovered not too long ago of a gin and tonic. So to start, I'm going to use just a basic New Amsterdam gin, and it's relatively cheap. It's not bottom of the barrel, but it's not top shelf either. So normally I would measure this out, but usually just about 2 ounces for the gin. This one is the London Dry Gin. I've only used it a couple times. I like their other one, which isn't as dry. Then some tonic water. This particular one is the Fever Tree Tonic Water with elderflower. This is not by any means a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid for any of these. This is just the ingredients I'm using. So Fever Tree Tonic Water. I'm going to put some ice in there so I know how much I need to add. You just do 3 cubes. Actually, before I'm getting ahead of myself, let's put some lime in there first. Depending on how much lime you like, I put about half a lime in. Some people just like 1 or 2 wedges. A little squeeze. And then I drop the whole thing in. Ah! Okay, tonic water. Fill the glass. Now here's where the twist is. So that's your basic gin and tonic. The twist is now I add a few dashes of liquid smoke, just to add a good little smoky flavor and a little bit of aromatic bitters. And then just give that a stir. So this the smoke and the bitters just mellows out the bitterness of the gin a little bit, and it's weird to add bitters to mellow out bitterness, but it seems to work because my wife, who never liked gin and tonics, will actually drink this and enjoy it. So, cheers! First episode of Drink of the Week, and we'll see you next week.